Hi guys, Lucas Perez here. I'm very excited. I just received my cargo delivery. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so I just opened it. Alright, really nice box. Okay, I see goodies already. Welcome to cargo. Open the carton with open first. I think it's that one. Alright. Okay, I see Rice Krispies. Does the open box first. It's kind of heavy though. Oh, I see the thing inside. Alright. Okay, it's heavy. Let me hold on. Okay, I just took it out the box. Oh, I see Pringles. Alright. It's not easy doing it with one hand. Okay. Alright, read these first. Quick starting guide. Alright. Get free cargo products now. That's my code. Alright. See, it has. Oh, this is nice. You see, it has USB plug so the customer can charge their phone. Comes with a USB cable. Okay, so you can charge it. Oh, that's awesome. Ooh. Oh. Whoa, that's. Oh, there you go. Ooh, I see a lot of goodies inside. Holy crap. Very nice. Rice Krispies. Oh, you got condoms. You got condoms. Alright, iPhone 3, iPhone charger. Something here. Skittles. Ah, look. Alright. That's Advil. What the huh? 5-hour energy. Remember, this is all free for the customer, and you get paid every time the customer gets something. It's free money, and the customer can tip to the cargo website separate from your Uber or Lyft app. This is very exciting. So I finished already setting it up. It lights up. It comes with kind of charger, but I put it in my car. Has an extra USB in there. It comes with straps, some kind of straps, so the box doesn't move around. Very sturdy. Let's see how it looks on the passenger perspective. Okay, I'm on the back seat right now. On the passenger perspective, this is how it looks. It says get free products now. The customer has to go to cargo.menu, then they input my code, and I will get a text with the products the customer wants. I will open it from these and I will give them the products. It's very simple. They have chargers if they want to plug it. And I think it's pretty good. It looks very nice. I thought it was gonna be bigger. I was worried that it wasn't gonna fit in my console, but it's not big at all. I like the lights up. So I recommend you to get it. It's free, totally free. Every time you get low on supplies, they know, and they will send you more supplies. I'm gonna leave the description below so you can sign up, the link, and hey, subscribe to my channel if you want to. It's free also. See you, peace.